All right, it's time to learn yet another rule for our silent final E. So we're going to analyze the word chance. There is a chance it might rain. The word is chance. How many syllables in the word chance? There's one. The first sound we hear is ch. What ch should we use? Ch, k, sh. So we're going to write ch, k, sh. And do we mark it? Yes. We underline it. It's a multiple letter phonogram. The second sound we hear in the word chance is ah. We use a, and we don't mark it because it is a first sound. So we're going to write the letter a. Third sound that we hear in the word chance is n. We use n, the only single letter n we know. We don't mark it. It's an only sound. And the fourth and last sound we hear in the word chance is s. And what s shall we use? The dictionary says we must use k-s. So we're going to write k-s next to the n. Now, is this the... Oh, I'm sorry. Do we mark it? Yes. It's the second sound. We're going to put a 2 above it. Do we mark it? Yes, second sound. Legal spelling for the word chance. Nope. If we left it this way, it would say chank. That's not right. So we need to make it legal and add a silent final E. All right. Now, we're finished with the syllable. And the rule that requires we add a final silent final E is the CG Rule 3. The letter C before E, I, and Y always says S, the second sound for C. So this powerful E makes the letter C say S. Without the silent E, the C would be K. So we're going to mark it by underlining the C once. We're honoring that consonant because it's part of the rule. We also placed a small 2 above the C because it's the second sound. We double underline the silent final E because it is a rule breaker. And because it's the third kind of silent E, we're going to put a 3 down there. And we're going to draw an arrow from the silent E to the C, showing that the silent E is making the C say S, its second sound. So check and see if you've marked chance properly. And we're going to move on to the next one in this rule, which is charge. We need another word to understand this third rule. So the bull will charge the fence. The word is charge. Charge has one syllable. The first sound we hear is ch, k, sh. We're going to write that. Ch, k, sh. Sorry. I don't know why that's there. We'll go back here. All right. So, ch, k, sh. And we are going to mark it because it's a multiple letter phonogram. The next sound that we hear is R. R. Ooh. Another multiple letter phonogram. R, matey me bucko. I'm going to write R. Sound R. Beautiful. We're going to underline that because it is a multiple letter phonogram. The final, third and last sound we hear in the word charge is J. What J do we use? G, J. So we're going to write that. And it is the second sound for G, J. So we're going to put a small 2 above that. Now, is this the legal spelling for the word charge? No. The way it is spelled right now would be charg. That's not correct. So we need to make it legal by adding a silent final E. So comfortably close to our G, J, we're going to put a silent final E. And And now let's review this rule. It's the CG Rule 3. The letter G before E, I, N, or Y may say J. The final E can make G, J, say J when it wants to. So we're going to mark this rule by underlining the letter G once as part of the rule. We have a small number 2 to tell us it's the second sound. We double underline the silent final E and put a small 3 by it, indicating that it's the third rule and it's a rule breaker. We're going to draw a arrow from the silent final E to the G, indicating it is making that letter say its second sound. So remember, this is the CG Rule 3.